Welcome back to the Garden Box. Want to start a tiny homestead this winter? You don't need acres, just a little space, a few smart crops, and you can keep fresh food on your table all season long. Today I'm sharing the top winter crops you can grow, even in a tiny garden or a few containers, that will keep you thriving through the cold months. Even if you're brand new to gardening, these crops will set you up for success. Let's start with kale. Kale is a winter superstar. It's one of the most cold-hardy crops you can grow. And the best part? The flavor actually gets sweeter after a frost. You can harvest leaves all season and the plant just keeps giving. Toss it in soups, sauté it with garlic, or add it to your morning smoothie. A small patch of kale can give you fresh greens for months, and it's one of the easiest crops for new homesteaders. Try planting different varieties like curly kale or lacinato for a mix of flavors and textures. Next up is spinach. Spinach grows quickly in cool weather, and baby leaves can be ready to harvest in just a few weeks. The frosty nights bring out a richer flavor, making your salads taste amazing. Plus, spinach is perfect for succession planting. You can sow a new round every couple of weeks for a steady supply. And here's a tip, you can freeze spinach easily, so nothing goes to waste. Even in a small container, a handful of spinach plants can provide continuous harvests all winter long. And if you protect it with a cold frame, spinach can even overwinter into spring. Now let's talk about garlic. Garlic is one of the simplest crops to grow, and it's almost like magic. Plant a clove in the fall and it quietly works under the soil all winter. Come spring, it bursts into life, and by early summer you'll have a full bulb to harvest. In the meantime, garlic even helps deter pests, making it a natural companion plant for your homestead. Plant once and you'll never want to skip garlic again. For an early bonus harvest, you can also enjoy garlic scapes in the spring. Then we've got carrots. Carrots actually love the cold. Frost makes them sweeter, almost like nature's candy. If you mulch heavily, you can leave them right in the ground and pull them up as you need them, all winter long. That means no bulky storage space required. And if you don't have much ground to work with, try growing them in deep containers. They're colorful, fun for kids to harvest, and perfect for soups, roasts, or snacks straight from the garden. Consider mixing rainbow carrot varieties for extra color and fun at the table. Finally, let's wrap up with winter lettuce and salad greens. Varieties like mache, arugula, or winter romaine are built for colder weather. They grow beautifully in raised beds, cold frames, or even small containers on a balcony. The trick is to plant a mix. Different textures and colors not only make your salads beautiful, but they also stretch your harvest. And since you can pick just a few leaves at a time, the plants will keep producing for weeks. Add a simple row cover, and you'll extend your salad harvest even further. So there you have it, 5 powerful winter crops for a tiny homestead. Kale, spinach, garlic, carrots, and winter salad greens. Each one thrives in the cold, offers amazing flavors, and takes up very little space. Start small, plant smart, and you'll be amazed at how much food you can grow, even in the middle of winter. Which of these crops would you plant first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plans.